Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 6.1. Let x be a discrete random variable with the following PMF, that is probability mass function. P of x is given 0.3 for x is equal to 3, 0.2 for x is equal to 5, again 0.3 for x is equal to 8, 0.2 for x is equal to 10 and 0 otherwise. Find and plot the CDF, that is cumulative distribution function. It is asked for x. Okay. So given as PMF is given, you have to find your CDF. Okay. First we will just put all the values in your table. So this is your capital X. P of x is equal to x. So capital X is this value. Okay, 3, and your P of x is this 0.3. Next is 5. So 0.2. Straight to that you got 0.2. Okay. Next is 8 and 0.3. So 8, 0.3, 10, 0.2. Cumulative distribution function, that is only they have asked you to find it. Distributive function, that is nothing but your CDF. Okay, is defined by f x of x. Here you should write capital X and here it is small x. P of capital X less than or equal to small x. So this is the definition for your cumulative distribution function. Okay. So first is capital F of 3, we'll have to find it because f of x only we need to find it. Our value starts from 3. So capital F of 3 is equal to P of capital X less than or equal to 3. In the place of x, replace your 3, okay, in this format. So that is equal to, so less than or equal to 3 is only one value we have got because the first value is 3 only. So you can write it as P of 3, that is equal to the value of P of 3 is 0.3. And next is f of 5 you have got. So f of 5 is equal to P of, where you have got small x, you will have to write your 5. Okay, so x is less than or equal to 5, which is equal to, just see less than how many values are there. 3 and 5 is there. Okay, so you can write it as P of 3 plus P of 5. So which is equal to, write your values. For 3 it is 0.3 plus for 5 it is 0.2. Adding you will get it as 0.5. The next value is 8. So f of 8 is equal to, see in your table, okay, 8 is there. So P of x is less than or equal to 8. Now see all the less than values of 8. Okay, so 3 is there, 5 is there, then 8 you will get. Since equal to is there, you can add your 8 also over there. Okay, so it is P of 3 plus P of 5 plus P of 8. Now write the values. 0.3 plus 0.2 plus your P of 8 is 0.3. Okay, so 0.3, which is equal to 3, 5 and 8, so 0.8. Next last value is f of 10, which is equal to P of x is less than or equal to 10. So which is equal to, again up to 10. 3, 5, 8 and up to 10 you got. Okay, so P of 3 plus P of 5 plus P of 8 plus P of 10. That is a probability, everything. Okay, write all the values. 0.3, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.2, everything in addition. So adding, you will get up to here to 0.8. 0.8 plus 2 is 1.0. Cumulative distribution function CDF. So the format is capital Fx of small x, that is equal to, so you'll have to write all these values. Okay, the first value is from 3 only it is starting. So 0 when it is less than 3, we doesn't know the value of 3, okay, less than 3. So it is 0 for x is less than 3. So our starting value is 3, okay. So the next one is write this answer, that is 0.3 for it is less than or equal to 3, okay. So for 3 less than or equal to x less than your next value, it is 5. So it means that the value of 3 is included, 5 is not included. Because of that only less than or equal to. So 3 is included, here 5 is not included. Okay, so the value of 3 to 5 is 0.3. The next one is less than 5, you will have to write it. So first write your condition, 5 less than or equal to x less than your next value is 8. Okay, so put 8 and straight to that your answer is 0.5. So the meaning is 5 is included and 8 is not included. Therefore 5 value you will have to write it 0.5. Okay. The next one is again go to your next interval, that is for here from 8 to 10. Okay. So 8 is included. So 8 is less than or equal to x and 10 is not included. So don't put less than or equal to. Okay. You will have to write only less than. You can see the difference between this and this. Here 8 is included, so you'll have to put less than or equal to. 10 is not included, just leave it as less than. Okay, so the value of 8 is 0.8. The next one is, it is up to 10. Next is for the last value is till 10. Okay, so more than 10 also you will have 1 point something only you will have it. So you can write it as greater than or equal to, that is x is greater than or equal to 10. Your value is 1.0, so you can write 1. So this is the format for your CDF. So in this format you will have to declare your answer. Okay. They have asked you to plot the CDF in your graph. So your plotting is in your x-axis, that is capital X is equal to small x. Write the values from 1 to 10. And in your y-axis it is capital F of x. Your values are in points, okay, in decimal points it is there. So I just given the values and decimal values. 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1.0. So now we'll go to the plotting. Your x is less than 3 is 0 only. Okay, so less than 3 nothing will be there. Now your starting is from 3 to 5, it is 0.3. So in your x-axis from 3 to 5 and here it is 0.3. Okay, so 0.3 is midway of here you will get. So just see straight to that, from 3 to 5 you have to draw a line. So like this. 3 to 5, just draw a straight line. Okay. The next one is from 5 to 8, it is 0.5. From 5 to 8, it is 0.5. So 5 means in between here you will get your 0.5. So straight to that, here your 5 will be there and here your 8 is there. Just draw a line straight to that. The next one is 8 to 10. So 8 to 10. Your value is 0.8. So 0.8 is here. So straight to that here from 8. Okay, so 8 means from here you will get. So 8 to 10 it is. So you can draw a straight line like this. Next one is more than 10. So here more than 10 it will go from 1. Okay, so from 1 it is more than 10. So you can just leave like this. It is more than 10. Now join all these lines by a straight line. So this will be the graph for your CDF. Okay, so it is plotting of CDF. So this is the answer for your second question.